Hello everyone, my name is Aryan Chaudhary. I'm 12 years old. I live in Glasgow, Scotland, and I'm in S2, which is equal to the 9th grade in India. I always wanted to learn a coding language, and I had discussed it with my father, and soon after we had found CSSmartKids on LinkedIn and Facebook. I joined, and after a trial on CSSmartKids, I've been doing this for over 6 months. The program is very interesting and exciting, and the teachers at CSSmartKids are very helpful. They explain everything very nicely, and they always give me a full opportunity to ask about any questions that I don't understand. They also give me assignments which help me understand the topic better, and I think I'm quite confident as I understand how the program works and how I can apply my own ideas into it. Nowadays, the kids, they usually use technologies to complete their studies, and I would recommend this to not only kids my age, but kids all ages, as it affects day-to-day activities. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Manoj Chaudhary and I'm father of Aryan. And I just want to add to this that, yes, I would also recommend, CSSmartKids, the Python program, to all kids of Aryan age. And I would say, if you start as early as possible, until you actually get the burden of, the board exams in India and even the grades in UK where we live. The program is very, very good. And we actually joined the program only for 6 months to start with, just to make sure that if Aryan understands it, he likes it, and want to go ahead, then we can go ahead. Otherwise, we can stop. But now I have found that Aryan is very, very, confident, and he really likes the program, and he wants to carry on. And I told him that, okay, if you really want it, then you can carry on until, the course is completed. So this will be my recommendation, about CSSmartKids to every parents and every kid, if they want, and they should join this program. The teachers are really very, very good, and they give Aryan time even after the class if he doesn't understand anything, which is really kind of motivating him towards it. So as I said, I would recommend the kids to go for it, because this will become very, very necessary in day-to-day life in coming future. Thank you very much.